In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the in-field calculator in Xero to instantly calculate totals without ever leaving the amount box. If you're still reaching for a physical calculator or opening a separate calculator app while creating invoices or bills, this tip is going to save you a lot of time. Xero has a built-in in-field calculator that lets you type equations directly into the amount or unit price fields, and it automatically works out the answer for you. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly convenient. Make sure to watch until the end so you can start using this right away in your daily workflow. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Xero account and open any screen where you can enter amounts. This could be a new invoice, a bill, a purchase order, or even a spend money transaction. Anywhere you see an amount or unit price field, the in-field calculator will work. Now here's the key step. Click directly into the amount or unit price field where you would normally type a number. Instead of entering a final figure, type your equation directly into the field. For example, if you need to add a 20% markup to 500, simply type 500 multiplied by 1.2. You would enter it as 500 times 1.2. If you need to divide a total across multiple units, you could type something like 1200 divided by 4 by entering 1200/4. You can also use addition and subtraction. For example, if you're combining multiple costs, you might type 250 plus 175 plus 80. Xero understands these standard mathematical operators, including plus, minus, multiply, and divide. There's no special mode to activate and no separate calculator window to open. Once you've typed your equation, press Enter or hit the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Xero instantly replaces the equation with the calculated result. The math is done automatically, and the final value is entered into the field for you. That's it. No copying and pasting, no switching between screens. Everything happens right inside the field. This feature is especially useful when you're working quickly and need to calculate taxes, discounts, markups, or split amounts on the fly. For example, if a supplier invoice includes multiple components and you quickly need to total them, just type the full equation into the amount field and press Enter. If you're adjusting pricing with a percentage increase, multiply the base number by the percentage factor directly in the unit price field. Another great advantage of using the in-field calculator is reducing mistakes. When you calculate externally and then type the result manually, there's always a small risk of entering the wrong number. By doing the math directly inside Xero, you eliminate that extra step and minimize errors. So just to recap the process, open any transaction screen in Xero, click into an amount or unit price field, type your equation using standard math operators, and press Tab or Enter to let Xero calculate the result automatically. It's simple, fast, and built right into the system. Start using this today and you'll immediately notice how much smoother your data entry becomes. Small efficiency improvements like this really add up over time, especially as you're creating invoices or entering bills every single day. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Xero tutorials that save you time and improve accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.